How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on DMs for everyone on your Discord. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Discord. After you open up your Discord, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now on the left hand side, you will see the user settings. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will need to head over to content and social. Now after you're on content and social, you will see direct messages. Now under there, you will see filter all option, filter from non-friends option, and do not filter option. Now to allow everyone to message you, you will need to choose this do not filter option. So just select that option and you're basically good to go. So that is how you can turn on messages for everyone on Discord. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.